Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee today met a US delegation headed by Secretary of State Hillary Clinton. In her speech to the press, Mamata called the hour-long meeting constructive and concrete. While Hillary did not raise the FDI in retail issue, the two discussed options regarding tourism and employment generation in the state. Clinton has now left for the capital, where along with a meet with Foreign Minister, she will also be paying a visit to Sonia Gandhi and hold talks with Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Iran, Pakistan, China, along with terror and trade, are likely to dominate these talks.
The US delegation has said that they will do business with Bengal on a partnership basis. There was no investment in Bengal due to political uncertainty. Now the US investment will come. We've asked for investment in the IT and software sector.
ইনভেস্টমেন্ট করার পক্ষে করবেন এবং আমরাও বলেছি যে আমাদের আইটি যে সেক্টর আমাদের যে সফটওয়্যার সেক্টর